Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, this is a new video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you luxury bedroom design ideas for your living room. I request you, please like this video and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Luxury bedroom designs often incorporate high-quality materials, elegant furnishings, and sophisticated decor. Consider using rich fabrics like velvet and sleek for bedding and curtains, complemented by plush carpets or hardwood floors. Incorporate stylish furniture pieces with ornate details and sleek finishes. Add ambient lighting with chandeliers or pendant lights to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Don't forget to personalize the space with artwork, decorative accents, and possibly a statement headboard to make the room truly luxurious. Dear viewers, thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive my latest videos. Thank you.